Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. First of all, you need to head over to your Facebook and log into your account. So let's just head over to Facebook and you'll be able to see that I have already logged into my account, and in here what we are going to be doing is simply head over to this marketplace section. So you can see on the left side of your screen we have this marketplace option. Click on that and you can see a wide range of options and variety of different products are now being displayed. So what we're going to be doing is, let's say we simply click on any of these products, and now to see the additional information, what you need to do is from the URL above you need to simply change this www to M. So simply erase that www and change it to M, and once you do, you need to press enter on your keyboard and you will be able to see that all the information is now being displayed nicely in here. So that's how you can see all the hidden information on Facebook. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.